It's Cake.
And Whimsy.
And we are checking into our room. Yay!
Animal Kingdom, Kidani Lodge. Kidani Village.
Kidani Village. So
Kidani
close.
Village, so close. Look at our door. Pretty amazing. And we're going to open it with our magic bands because we're that cool.
Go ahead, Dan.
Bam! Look at that, just like magic. Magic bands, magic entry. Hey, come on in.
Ooh. Give it a second for the light to adjust. It's actually not very dark in here. It's just the exposure is, you know. So first bathroom, that's right, bathroom number 1.
Wha-bam!
Delightful, full bathroom. Totally nice for any kind of hotel stay.
Home style
fun
soaps.
colors. Look at the tile work.
Oh.
Super fun. By the way, we just got laughed at by a cast member in the hallway. Closet number 1. What? A washer and a dryer?
Whoa!
No, sir. A vacuum cleaner?
We are not vacuuming on floors.
No, we're not. Also, very cool lighting in every aspect of every room.
It's like some kind of tree branches tied together with vines.
All right.
But wait, there's more.
Not that door, though. That's an adjoining one.
We'll stay away from that.
Let's look at the kitchen. That's right, we have a kitchen.
Granite countertop, did you say?
I didn't, but you did. Oh, look at these bar stools. Those are super sturdy and cool.
You could sit a silverback gorilla in those things and he wouldn't break them.
But let's not.
Yeah, let's, they frown on that. No touching.
Full-size oven and stove and fridge and microwave. Everything is full-size.
Dishwasher.
Toaster, coffee maker with Joffrey's, which I haven't tried yet, but everyone says is amazing. Oh, I just noticed the paper towels. Dishwasher on this side, and sink and toaster and
all the pots and pans and silverware and anything else we could want.
Yep, the cupboards are full.
Because we are gonna bake here.
Yep, the cabinets are completely full. Our dining room.
As Jess calls it, our surfboard. Was this the part that was the surfboard?
Yes. No, I think the longer part.
Their own,
baby surfboard and full-size surfboard.
Yeah, sort of, yeah.
All right, the giant TV. Could you stand next to that TV, Dan? Because that chair is also oversized, so it's hard to tell. That is an enormous TV.
Don't they say that if you spread like this, it's supposed to be your height? If that's the case, this is like a
5'7" TV.
It's like a 72-inch TV.
Also,
okay,
look
I'm
at
not really that tall.
all the carvings on everything here.
Right?
Look at Simba. It's a little hidden Simba. Does that count as anything?
I think so. Hidden Simbas are like hidden Mickeys.
This is a fold-out chair, I believe.
Oh.
I could be wrong on that. I might be lying.
You're right,
I think it's a fold-out chair.
Yes, that is. Holy
so, more fun lighting and artwork.
We're gonna keep a bed count.
Fold-out couch.
That's 2.
With more artwork and fun lighting.
2 beds so far.
We won't go out there yet, but look behind Dan's silhouette.
What?
We have an extra long patio veranda area too.
Which we will visit in a few minutes.
Right, but first let's check out the bedroom.
Not this way. We don't often invite you into our bedroom.
But look at that bed. Holy Jeebus. I mean, not just the size.
Come true.
Not just the size, but look at the carvings and everything. And are those eggs on the lamps?
Those are eggs. They look like ostrich eggs. That is so cool.
And what is that?
I haven't even seen all the weird things.
And look at the chair, and everything is beautiful here.
Oh, and it's got all these hash marks on it that make it look like it's just an ancient chair that's been through a lot of stuff. It's seen some stuff.
It has. Now, you thought, well, surely they have a nice TV in one room. They won't in this one. You would be wrong.
Bam!
That is like the size of our TV at home. That's our main TV. And a lovely writing area. And look at that, another patio.
What?
Shall we show them the bathroom before we show them the outside?
So.
That's right, bathroom number 2, because 1 was not enough. Now, it is hard to tell the scale in this, but this is ginormous. This is huge. And we've got the shower stall, which has a bench in it and is really, the tile work is amazing. Why is this room going on so long? Because there's also a jacuzzi tub.
I am gonna be jacuzziing in this thing.
I am not surprised. And then we have closet number 2.
Wabam!
And our little bathroom, toilet room. The powder room.
This is
So, holy wow.
This is literally larger than places I've lived.
It's like a small bed, a medium-sized bedroom.
Hey Jess, come out here. I got something to show you. Look over there.
Giraffes! Let me zoom in for you guys. I don't have to zoom much though, they're right here.
That is 2 giraffes.
Just hanging out, walking around. Oh my goodness, hello Mr. Giraffe.
And I know this isn't the most exciting thing you're gonna see, but there's a squirrel down there on the savanna. It counts.
As we scroll over here, scroll.
Is that one of these like ibecas or something? The ones with the twisty horns?
Don't know what they're called, but we got 2 of them sitting here. And then, 3 of them. And then if you look back there, we've got a Watusi?
Oh, I think you're right. Wow, that giraffe is so close.
Right? Squirrel. I see him now. By the way, this whole area is our balcony. We've got bedroom balcony and living room balcony all one. Dan, go run it. There's 3.
I'm coming back at you, Jess.
We're all watching the giraffes in the background.
I can't do that. Look what just wandered into our backyard.
We got zebra.
I didn't think we had zebras over here. Oh, look, they just
There's
started
2.
feeding them too. That's a feeding
nice.
pit right there.
And there's 2 zebras. There's one further
hay.
back that you can barely see.
Oh yeah, look at that guy.
You guys can't hear this, but I can hear them chewing from here. It's a little surreal. So many different ones all in the same place. I would have to say this place is pretty magical.
That's right. Just walking down the hallway to our room, looking at the Watusi.
They look so tasty. Looks like good eating to me.
You mean the grass, right? Not the Watusi. Oh, Jess. Do you see them? At night, the wraith animals come out.
Right.
So one of the other weird things about Animal Kingdom is how heavy everything is. This door is absolutely the heaviest door I have ever opened. So if you're a small person, you might have to get your force up to do it. Just kind of throw your whole body and heave against it and hope you don't fall and it just...
Please don't let the door close. I want to be able to get in again.
Okay, sure, come on in. And the doors aren't the only heavy thing here. These chairs, they're about 40 pounds. Kind of ridiculous to move, particularly on a carpet, so they don't slide well. So if you're a small person, that could be a little tricky too. Hey Jess.
Hi. What?
Hey, I got something for you.
Oh, is it dinner?
It's a really heavy plate.
Oh, jeez. So heavy.
These are
Why
probably
would you do that to somebody with a back problem?
These are probably 1.5 pound plates. So that's home base for the next week.
Yeah, not bad.
Yeah, I think we could do this. I feel like this is not so much punishment.
We're not roughing it this time?
No.
The other time we've been here, we were at all-star music, which was fine. It was nice.
We're still on site at least.
Yeah, this is so crazy. This is insane.
Yeah, this is a stellar leap in accommodations.
This is our friends possibly winning us over to Disney Vacation Club.
Yeah, this is a good incentive, I think, because going back is going to be hard.
So now,
if you enjoy these videos, maybe like, maybe subscribe. I can bet that there's going to be a lot of Disney videos coming your way in the next week. But so give us a like, give us a subscribe if you enjoy them. You'll see a lot more. And let's frost the cake.